bark very often. Is it still the dog in the mirror?
Yeah, it's the dog in the mirror. Who is it? Who is that? Who is that, Aspen? Are you looking at yourself? You're looking at yourself in the mirror. No biting. No. No biting. You stay down. Stay down. Good girl. What's this? Sit. Would you like an ice cube? Sit. Oh, what's an ice cube? You're gonna take it to your bed? What you doing with it? Is it good? Yeah? You wanna play some more? Oh, what's this? Come on. Where's he going? Look. Where's he going? Ready? Ready? Aspen. Look. Aspen. Ooh, go get it. Go get it. You like your ice cubes, don't you? Yes, you do. You like your ice cubes. You do. It's a really good way for them to keep themselves occupied. You good girl. Where's the other ice cube that I had? Ah. Here, honey, look. What's this other ice cube? Look. Ready? 1, 2, go get it. Oh, it was so much fun. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, I know. What you doing, huh? You had fun with that.